Thesis Advisor, Dr. Winsel Ocampo. Kalara John Kevin Cruz. This is entitled Voices Behind the Desk. School Environment on English Teachers, Stress Level and Burnout Voices Behind the Desk. School Environment on English Teachers, Stress Level and Burnout. This is Advisor Dr. Christopher D.C. Francisco. The B. Jenny Lynn Coronel. This is entitled Fostering Fluency and Confidence, Enhancing Learners' Fluency through Interactive Teaching Strategies on the Language and Academic Performance. This is Advisor Esperanza S. Nunez. Dequina Lina Besa. This is entitled Utilization of Total Physical Response Approach in Improving Reading Skill. Basis for Instructional Materials through a Lesson Exemplar. This is Advisor Dr. Esperanza S. Nunez. Jacinto John Patrick Dumasi. This is entitled Effectiveness of Contextualized Civic Online Reasoning Modules in Enhancing Digital Literacy Among Filipino Students. This is Advisor Dr. Ryan Dayaw. Madrigal Karina Jane San Gabriel. This is entitled Exploring Public School Teachers' Attitudes, Skills, and Practices Towards Research. Basis for Upskilling Program. This is Advisor Dr. J.R. B. Sangoyo. Netagok Maria Joan Mamangon. This is entitled Developing Reading Comprehension through Direct Reading Thinking Skill, a Schema Activation Approach. This is Advisor Dr. Ariel Villar. Palomo Virginia Rolando. This is entitled Oral Fluency Strategy Among Grade 10 English as a Second Language or ESL Learners. This is Advisor Dr. Ariel Villar.
Perez Caroline Villafuerte. This is Unveiling the Links Among the Demographic Profile, Confidence in English, Oral Communication of the Key Stage 2 English Teachers, and Academic Performance in English of Learners. Advisor, Dr. Esperanza S. Nunez. Rayo Angeline Santiago. This is Integration of Movies with English Subtitles, Instructional Tool for Optimizing Vocabulary Development. Advisor, Dr. J.R. Sangoyo. Reyes Victoria Claire de la Cruz. This is From Screen to School, Filipino Pop Culture and Learners English Language Proficiency. Advisor, Dr. J.R. Sangoyo. San Juan Edgardo Jr. Arjona. This is Code Switching in English Language Classrooms, Perceptions, Practices, and Pedagogical Implications in Multilingual Context. Advisor, Dr. Noemi C. Sagkal. Valentin J. Liberta. This is next, Villarreal Rose Ann Gonzalez. This is Upskilling Grammatical Competence in English Writing through sentence diagramming in Learner's Journal. Advisor, Dr. J.R. Sangoyo. Next, Victorio Maria Josepina Vasquez. Thesis, Gliding the Self-Confidence and Communication Skills of Maritime Students, Inputs to an Intervention Program. Advisor, Dr. Esperanza Nunez.
Thank you very much to our President, Attorney Aristeo R. Cruz. At this juncture, may I request the Vice Chairman of the Board of Directors, Mr. Renato P. Ocampo, CPA, to award diplomas to our graduates.
Iginararangal kong ipakilala ang mga nagsipagtapos para sa degree Master ng Sining Larang sa Pilipino. Abarca Maribeth Cruz. Pamagat ng thesis, Antas ng Kaalaman ng Pandangguhang Panata kay Santa Marta. Batayan sa pagbuo ng programang pangturismo ng bayan ng Pateros. Tagapayo, Dr. Joel Zamora. Brenica Shirel Ann Tamayo. Pagsusuring pangnilalaman sa representasyon ng kasarian sa mga akdang pampanitikan, batayan sa pagbuo ng dulog sa pagtuturo ng wika at panitikan. Tagapayo, Dr. Joel Zamora. Agulto Maria Cristina Alaman. Pagsusuri sa mga memes sa social media bilang pagpupunlad ng kaalaman sa antas ng wika, batayan sa pagbuo ng banghay aralin sa Pilipino. Tagapayo, Dr. Sabina Belenso. Angkos Ricky Contreras. Sipat sa danas. Kontekstual na analisis sa promosyon ng guro sa Pilipino ng kagawaran ng edukasyon. Tagapayo, Dr. Edwarda S. King. Verges Vanessa Bukal. Pagbuo ng interbensyon batay sa competencies ng kurikulum sa Pilipino at antas ng kaalaman ng mga mag-aaral sa senior high school sa asignaturang Pilipino. Tagapayo, Dr. Sabina S. L. Belenso.